My name is Matt Capel, and I've been in the stair lift industry for over 20 years with Bruno Independent Living Aids. I often hear questions regarding stair lift rail and rail design, and I wanted to spend a few moments today discussing that with you and showing you the differences. Many manufacturers have what we refer to as a horizontal rail design. The downside to a horizontal rail is twofold. One, it takes up more space in the staircase, and number two, it exposes the gear rack, which is the mechanism that the stair lift rides up and down the stairs. That gear rack is typically greased the day that they put it in, and therefore tends to be a magnet for collecting dog hair, dust, and unfortunately, if people are going to brush against it with their clothing, this could happen. The Bruno rail design is the narrowest rail in the industry at 2.5 inches wide, and you can see here on this stair lift how clean and sleek it looks. It features a gear rack that is hidden by the rail itself, so all the grease and everything is underneath the rail, away from the children, the grandchildren, the pet hair, and anybody else using the staircase. It also offers the most available use of the staircase because, of course, it's so narrow. And the vertical rail design lends itself to offering more strength for the stair lift as well, because it better supports the carriage as it rides up and down the stairs. Another common question I get regarding stair lifts and the rail itself is, how is it mounted to the home? And most people believe that the stair lift is bolted right to the wall. In reality, the stair lift is simply installed right onto the step nose with several clamps, and thus making it very easy to remove when the time comes.